Let's talk about deleting a worksheet from a workbook. Now, I want to put a big fat disclaimer on this one, kind of a big warning. Be very careful when deleting sheets from an Excel workbook. The reason for this is once you delete a worksheet from a workbook, for example, delete out the monthly budget, there is no undo for this. Okay? Typically, if something goes wrong when I'm working inside of Excel, the first thing I'll do is Control-Z or hit the undo button up on my quick access toolbar, right? But when you delete a worksheet, you can't use that undo button. There's no undo for this. What you could do is if you delete a sheet and it's like, yeah, I'm sure I want to delete that sheet, and you delete it, and then you realize that, oh, I shouldn't have deleted that sheet. No undo for it. So what you can do is you can close Excel, don't save, otherwise you just save that deleted worksheet and it's gone, and then go reopen the file. So don't save, reopen the file, and you'll get the sheet back. But if you've been working for hours, you haven't saved, you delete a sheet, and you realize it's the wrong sheet you deleted, so you close Excel, but you haven't saved all that work that you did up to the point of deleting that sheet. You've just lost all that work. So now you got to kind of weigh, right? What's more important, all that work that I did or that sheet that I just deleted out? So again, big fat warning here. Be careful when deleting sheets from a workbook because you can't easily undo this operation. All right, but this is how you delete sheets. And it's really simple. So I decided that, you know what, I want to get rid of this copy exercise one. I'll just right click on the tab, the worksheet tab, copy exercise. Oops, right there. I'll right click on it. And one of my options in there will be delete. So now I get a warning. So hopefully we all read warnings. Here I can see that, oh, Microsoft Excel will permanently, let's underline that, right? Permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? So if I hit delete, delete, it's gone. There is no undo. I can't hit the little arrow. I can't control my way back into that sheet. It's gone. It's been permanently deleted. So the only way I can get it back is if I don't save, I close Excel, reopen up this document, and I'll get that file back. And as long as I saved prior to deleting that worksheet. All right, again, like I said, that's a quick one. You right click, you delete, gone. You got to answer the question, are you sure you want to continue? But once you do, it's gone. There's one more little thing here, and I just want to make you aware of this because I get questions about it. I just inserted a new sheet, sheet 3. Because I deleted out sheet 2, Excel now gives me a sheet 3. If I were to delete out the monthly budget, which started out as sheet 1, I would never get sheet 1 back again. It's something small, but you can always rename. So if I really did want sheet 1 or sheet 2 back, double click, give it a name, do what you like with it. But just be aware that Excel, it keeps track and it just doesn't give you back sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, whatever you've deleted. And if you delete a sheet that has no data in it, like sheet 3 here, right click, delete. Oh, Excel will permanently delete the sheet. Do you want to continue? That sheet is gone. Just like before. Had nothing in it, but the sheet's gone. So I now insert a new sheet. What do you think I'm going to get? Sheet 4. There it is. Again, you want to rename it sheet 1, go ahead and do that. All right, so that's just really quickly a little bit of information about deleting sheets. Just be careful of it. That's the big story here, right? It's easy to do. Right click, delete. Just be careful of it. All right, and try it out. Don't delete your budget. We need that. We need that budget, the one that we've been creating, but delete out any other sheet that you want.